Alright, we got an 870 here, Everest 870. Has a no start issue. I'm suspecting that I turned the key over. Well, no, I turn the key over and nothing happens. Battery tested good, has 12, a little over 12 volts, 12 something. And so I was suspecting either bad starter or signal wire not working. So there's your signal wire right there. And so what I did was got the signal wire off, tested power going to it, nothing. Came over here, tested power coming out of the switch itself, has power coming out. So then after I did that, if you want to know how to take this cover off, it's 5/32 hex bolts. Take the front cover off, and then 1/8" screws, which are bolts right here. Take that, and then so you have four right here. And you just take it and just lean it down. Sometimes they get stuck, so you have to pull them. So anyways, so I came over here, disconnected this connector, and found that the green and yellow wire from the ignition switch was bent. So the customer might have bent it when if they was trying to diagnose the issue. Probably bent the pin somehow when they put it back on. So I bent that back, tested continuity between these two connectors, got continuity. So that blue wire goes from here to the starter. So we got a bad wire from here to the starter. So I gotta figure out what we're going to do next. Alright, so the unit's out of warranty, well, at least for this particular instance. So I'm going to just cut the wire here and then run a new wire from here all the way to the starter. I'm going to reuse all the original harness still, so we can keep the heat off of it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But yep, it fires up and runs now with my test wire hooked up to it. So we're going to do that and finish up this unit. Alright, so basically what I did was I left the original wire right here for the unit, and I came over. So I came over to right here, right before the harness, cut it here, because this is useless now because it's a bad wire. And then ran a wire from here, ran through the harness, put a new loom here, used the original wire loom that came with the unit, and then ran it. So there it is right there. Put the new one in, and she fires up now. Alright, call it a fix. Put everything back. Alright, one little tip when you're putting this back together, I wouldn't tighten these down too much, because these are just little rubber inserts that are in these, so you could rip them out if you tighten them too much. So I would just give them a little snug, and that's it.